Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Basecamp login issues step by step. If you're having trouble signing into your Basecamp account, there are several simple troubleshooting steps that can help you regain access quickly. So let's get started. First, double-check that you're entering the correct email address and password associated with your Basecamp account. Make sure Caps Lock is turned off and watch for any typing mistakes before trying again. If you can't remember your password, click the Forgot Password link on the Basecamp sign-in page. Enter your email address and follow the instructions in the password. Reset email to create a new password. After resetting it, try signing in again with your updated credentials. If your password is correct but you still can't log in, check your internet connection and refresh the page. You can also try signing in using a different web browser or an incognito or private browsing window to rule out problems caused by cached data or browser extensions. Another good solution is to clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser before attempting to sign in again. If you're using the Basecamp mobile app, make sure it's updated to the latest version available for your device. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the issue, check whether Basecamp is experiencing a temporary service outage or contact Basecamp support for additional assistance with your account. And that's it. You now know several effective ways to fix Basecamp login issues and get back into your workspace. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Hey everyone, welcome back.